takes away up to 30% of the x-axis stabilizations and also distributes the weight more evenly between two hands. So if you're holding gimbals like this for long periods of time, having something like this actually assists and helps with that endurance and fatigue that you can get if you're trying to hold a gimbal for long periods of time in this position.
Okay, so you're basically turning every gimbal into a run-in 4D kind of camera, right?
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, obviously the Ronin 4D is electronically advanced, but this, for the cost that you're paying and what you're getting, and obviously the distribution of weight and the x-axis vibration dampening that you get is pretty good.
So you're showing it here with a DJI RS4 gimbal, but is it only compatible with DJI gimbals or is it a universal accessory?
No, it's pretty universal. One of our USPs with this item is it's more advanced when working with the RS3 and the RS4 with the data ports that you have on the RS3 and RS4. So for example, it is very universal between gimbals, but what you can do is obviously if you have a heavier camera on the RS3 or the RS4, you can actually detach these like so, and actually attach these to the data rails, the NATO rails on the side of the gimbal, just to even out the weight load. So you're just bringing that weight level down a little bit more.
And what is the maximum payload?
So the payload for this is around from 1.8 kilograms to 5 kilograms in total. So you wouldn't really be putting more than that on any of the standard gimbals we have across the industry at the moment.
And actually I can see some springs inside. How do you adjust them?
With the adjustment, you've got two dials either side. And obviously, depending on the lenses and the cameras you're using, you want to be adjusting these two dials left and right here so that when you're holding the device, that both of these arms are level. So if I just obviously demonstrate, so when we're holding this, we want both of those arms to be level, and that way we get full range of movement above and below. So as we move, we're utilizing the movement in its full capacity, basically.
And you can also adjust the angle of each handle?
Yeah, of course. Yep. So what you can do is you can undo these handles right here. And if we wanted to do basically a lower angle and get a bit comfortable with it, we could lower both of those like this, change the angle, and we could go to a lower mode, obviously with the gimbal in play. What we could do there is we can lean it forward, lean the handles more, and we can get lower modes with it.